Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of The Crypto Compass, your guide to everything crypto. Today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to run through my experience and exactly why I chose crypto instead of other markets or instead of real estate investing or other investments that may be out there. I'm going to start by highlighting my experience and how I transitioned into the crypto market. I began in 2019, going into 2020 within the stock market. The stock market had options, which is leverage trading. So I had the option to long, which means I thought the price was going to go up, or short, which means I thought the price was going to go down. I was dabbling into the big funds, the S&P and the NASDAQ, and I was obviously getting into some smaller plays, smaller companies that I felt like were affected by COVID, because we had the huge COVID crash, market crash, literally everything crashed in 2020. I was learning options through my mentor, Benji, who I did interview in one of my other interviews that I'm going to link right here. Please check that video out. I basically had exposure in the stock market. I was playing many different plays, mainly shorting, which means I was buying puts. Some days I had some call options, and eventually we hit a bottom. When we hit that bottom, it was either a make or break kind of point. So we were either going to dip well below that level or we were going to literally recover. And what we had was a straight V recovery, which means we hit a bottom and literally up only from there. And at that point, I was still in disbelief because I thought that the market was just going to go lower. So I kept buying puts, which means I kept shorting the market as it was going up. All that profit I had got wiped. I was lost in markets. And then I transitioned into crypto after those losses in the stock market because I saw opportunity at that point. Bitcoin hit that 4,000 level. Ethereum dipped below 100. It was $90. And this was before Ethereum ran up to almost $5,000 and Bitcoin ran up almost to $70,000. What really got me into crypto was the technology. I truly was fascinated by blockchain technology. I love the fact that it's immutable. I love the fact that it's all transparent and it's all literally recorded on the blockchain. And I truly believe that this is the future of technology, as we're seeing other companies also invest and create their building blocks off of blockchain technology. Diving into crypto, understanding these different protocols. I didn't even know what an NFT was. I learned what an NFT was in 2021, right before they started going off. That's when I started understanding. I didn't even know what an altcoin was. I knew kind of what Bitcoin was and Ethereum, but that was about it when I started. So I really just dove in, started watching a bunch of YouTube videos like this. I learned so many things, and I'm so grateful for learning these things because I am in a market that has so much potential. I'm here to let you know that you will incur losses within the crypto market, within any market actually, even if you were in the stock market. You got to lose some to win some, right? As long as the outcome is income. That is what you should be processing in your head as you're trading these coins. You shouldn't invest more than what you're willing to lose. So if you put in your whole savings and you lose it, you should ask yourself, will you be in a good position? Because that's a mistake that I made that I don't want to be in. And I don't want you to fall in that position. Only you have the power to decide what you do with your assets. And it's always up to you and nobody else how you invest it or how you spend it. Reality check, nothing goes up forever. In markets, it's always up and down. If you zoom out and you look at it, it's going up consistently year over year. Maybe think about some long-term investing instead of just short-term, or do both. It would be smart to have a long-term bag and a short-term trading bag that you use to build on your long-term bag. If you ever need help or ever need guidance in any question that you have about crypto, please reach out to me because I'm willing to help you and I genuinely want to see you win within this market. You can sign up for my one-on-one coaching program and I can literally walk you through anything crypto. We can discuss, you can come to me with questions, and I can give you my experience and my advice, not based off of financial advice, but just off of my experience, exactly what I think is going to be most profitable and the strategies that you should implement to be successful within this space. My number one rule, as I said in my other video, is to protect your capital and to always take profits and never ever get greedy. Let's say an asset jumps up 1,000%, which is a 10x, and you got like a 3x out of it. So you 3 times your money. So let's say you had $100, you made $300. And as soon as you pull out that $300, you see it run another 2-3x from there to go a total of 10x from the initial investment. You're gonna beat yourself up because you missed out on huge potential gains, but you're ignoring the fact that you started off with 100 and you made 300 and you already got nice profit. It's not easy to make a 3x. Obviously within crypto, when you have a bull market, it may be easier, but at the end of the day, it's still gains. So you should always be grateful, always thankful for the gains that you get within this market, because they can be taken away in a second, just like that. The strategy that I would recommend that I think you could implement would be to take some profit, take it off the table, and literally just maybe send it back to your bank or set it aside for a long-term investment. Throw it in some Bitcoin, throw it in some Ethereum and set it and forget it and don't even think about it. And then continue trading on your original bag, and any profit you get, you just continue throwing it in your assets or throwing it back in the bank. I really hope that you learned a lot from this video. I want you to be able to gauge and really understand my experience and learn off of my experience so that you can have a better experience within the crypto space. And if you want to sit down and discuss with me in my one-on-one coaching program, I would love the opportunity to do that with you. My goal is to have all of us win together. I believe crypto is the perfect market to get these gains. It has the most potential, and I want everyone to be exposed to it, but I also want everyone to be smart within it. Thank you everybody for tuning in to the Crypto Compass. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. If you're new, please like the video and hit that bell button so you never miss another one of my videos. I want to spread my knowledge to you and give my experience to you so that you can become a greater and more savvy investor within this space. Please also follow me on socials. I'm active on Twitter. I'll be posting plays on Twitter. I'll be going in and replying to other people's comments. So if you want some information and if you want to learn more, I got some free information on Twitter. I'll be dropping the link below. Please also follow me on Instagram. I have reels and other posts that I post there that are also very informational about crypto. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.